Look, you can hear the crunch. Oh yeah. So the people have spoken. The people stated what they wanted. The people gave the choice of their preference. The people used their brains all the way down to the fingertips to type on their keyboards, whether it's the cell phone, tablet, computer, or laptop. They already stated what they wanted. And what is that? Smoked fried chicken sandwich. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing an episode on smoked fried chicken. It's not going to be fried in grease, oil. It's not going to be in the oven. We're not going to use an air fryer or nothing like that. What are we doing today? We're going to be using the Popeyes Awesome XL. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be a quick video, and you guys can, use your own method and use your own recipes and twist it up however you want to do it and create your own spin on it. This is just my take of how to do my version of smoked fried chicken. Not Popeyes, not Church's, not KFC, not Bojangles, not anywhere did you get your fried chicken from. This is my version, Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Stick around, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright guys, so let's talk about what we did so far step by step. We took our chicken breasts and then we cut off the excess fat that was on it, and then we cut them up to a nice big fat chunks. What we're going to do with them next is we're going to definitely hit them up with some hickory bacon seasoning, and then we're going to set them up and dip them into our stations. What I mean by our stations, we got our egg wash stations, we got our pickle and our cornflakes station added with some more seasoning of that hickory bacon. And then the next thing we're going to do, guys, with that particular dry season, we're going to hit them up with some chives. This is going to be an additional flavor to our chicken. It's going to look good in our presentation as well. And definitely we added some flour that we're going to need, and also we seasoned the white flour, all-purpose white flour as well. And the bread, guys, yes sir, brioche bread, rich and buttery, and it's the most moist and softest bun. And I don't mean buns, but I mean bread buns. Alright guys, so today's wood flavor is going to be fruit, which is going to be cherry, apple, and maple blend. Oh man, this is going to be an awesome flavor for our chicken. So let's start our Popeyes up. Our Popeyes Awesome XL, and we're going to take it to the smoke setting. Yes sir, it's a little chilly today. As always, going to open the lid, guys, and we're going to wait till the smoke comes out of this bad boy right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we've got a nice little rolling smoke going on right now, and I don't know if you can see that, but we've got a nice little wire rack that I placed right in the middle of that Pitfalls Austin XL, and that's going to hold our fried chicken up together. This little wire rack cost me about $3-4 from Walmart, so I'm going to use this wire rack in order to hold it together. And then we're going to close the lid, as you can see, and then we're going to crank our temperatures up to 300 degrees. Yeah, boy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at our digital display. We hit our target temperature, which is 300, and been running this temperature for about a good 10-15 minutes at this point. But let's take a look at our beautiful chicken. Oh yeah. This is called oilless fried chicken. Who needs an air fryer when you can use this bad boy right here, the Pitfalls Austin XL. So let's place our chicken into here. And the next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to insert 2 probes in order to monitor our chickens. And we're going to stick it right in the middle. And we're going to use our trusty Tenergy. Turn the power on. And we're just going to plug it into the ports. We're going to go from 1 and 2. Woo! While we got that fried chicken going on, that Pitfalls Austin XL right now is getting that love, it's getting that heat, it's getting that smoke, that fruit blend flavor. Oh man, that apple, that cherry, that maple, it's gonna be phenomenal at the end, guys. We're gonna get a nice kiss of that smoke for that smoked fried chicken sandwich. But we thought about having a special addition to that fried chicken. You can't have fried chicken on a sandwich without any special sauce. We thought about honey mustard, we thought about sweet and sour, we thought about all these other crazy sauces, but instead we thought about using one simple sauce, Alabama white sauce, with my style, my twist, my take on it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, guys, so first things first, we're gonna use Duke's mayonnaise. And this is some great stuff by itself from what I was told. And we finally got it available in my state, my city, which is in Delaware. So we're gonna use this bad boy right here. And as you can see, still fresh. There we are, guys. So we're gonna take like a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. So I'd say that's about good, about 1/2 cup worth. And then we're gonna add our dry season. So we're gonna go with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. And I'm not really measuring, so use your own discretion. And of course, my favorite for now, hickory bacon. Since we were cooking fried chicken with the hickory bacon flavor, why not add this? Again, 1/2 teaspoon. Now to the wet ingredients. Worcestershire sauce. Oh, shake it up. And a few squirts. About 2-3 squirts. Oh, and I'm sorry guys, forgot to add a chili. This is gonna be my another 1/2 teaspoon. That's gonna be the little kick that we're looking for. And a lime. So I would say about 1/2 teaspoon as well. Yeah, a little bit over 1/2 teaspoon. Just use your own imagination. And our white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, I'm sorry. About 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna mix all it up together. And we're gonna give this a taste. All right, so let's give this a taste to see what it tastes like. There it is, guys. Ooh. Oh wow. That's really good. I didn't use any horseradish. I didn't use any special spices. Very simple stuff you can get at your local supermarket to make this. Wow. I can't wait to try this on a smoked fried chicken. It's gonna be really good. All right, guys, it's been about 40 minutes at this point. As you can see, our temperatures are not too far off from each other. They're about 6 degrees off from one another. And let's take a look at our beauties right here. Oh yeah, take a look at that, guys. guys, you know what that means. This means it is done and ready. Oh yeah. These bad boys are calling me, guys. Alright, so I'm going to take these off and let them rest for about a good 5 minutes before we add it to our sandwiches. But the next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to take our buns and toast them real quick. There you go, guys. Take a look at that. Wow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time to assemble this beautiful smoked fried chicken. As you see, we got the beautiful buns nice and toasted. And we got a pickle. We're gonna throw this away because I don't like pickles, so there it goes. And we got some provolone cheese that we're gonna add on top of it. But first thing first, we're gonna take our Duke's mayonnaise that we did and mix it up and added some seasonings and flavors, and we made some Alabama white sauce. Oh yeah. So we're gonna spray a little bit of this on top of the bun. And we're just gonna wet it up nice, just like so, and along with the bottom. And we're gonna take our fried chicken. Take a look at that, guys. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah, baby. And we'll just place it on top. There it is, guys. Can't beat this, guys. Oh yeah. Let's cut this baby up. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, you see, still moist and everything. Wow. And look at the skin, it held on. Wow. So it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste test. I've been dreading all day for this beautiful smoked fried chicken. We didn't use any oils, we didn't use any grease, we didn't use any air fryers, not even an oven. All we did is smoked it in the Pit Boss Awesome Excel. So without further ado, let's get to eating. As I stated, guys, take a look at this beautiful fried chicken. Oh yeah, with a little bit of Alabama white sauce, my take on it. So let's take a quick bite and see what the flavors is like on this chicken. Oh wow. Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Packed with flavor, easy to do. You can do this at your house. It's very simple. You got a pellet grill, a regular smoker stick burner, and my boy wants some again. All right, guys, first time on camera. My boy is ready for some smoked fried chicken. And so is my other baby. You ready, boy? Yeah? Who's a good boy? Who's your good boy? You approve? Oh yeah. You good? I think that's a winner, guys. So there it is, guys. As you saw, my boy definitely approves the smoked fried chicken, and I definitely approve because it's phenomenal. It's definitely moist, tender, juicy, and oh man, packed with flavor. So smoked fried chicken done on a Pit Boss Awesome Excel. Man, you can do this on any pellet grill, any smoker, or even a stick burner. You just gotta watch your temps. Make sure it's not too close to the hot spots, and it's definitely gonna produce that nice, crunchy, beautiful fried chicken that is greaseless, oilless. We didn't use an air fryer, and we didn't even use the oven. Just a Pit Boss Awesome Excel. Yes, sir. Definitely packed with flavor, guys. Give this a try. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was quick and simple. Like I said, shout out to everybody that definitely voted on that poll to see what you want me to cook. And of course, the people have spoken. So thank you so much for doing that, guys. I apologize for having a late video for you, but didn't really have the time to do everything that I want to do. But now that I got the opportunity, here it is. Like I said, my take on the smoked fried chicken sandwich with the Alabama white sauce. Oh man, listen, if you like barbecue and grilling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends, and until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Salute and peace.